Hi, my name's Hannah St. Clair, and I'm a Senior Account Coordinator. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on your options of how to serve your spouse once your Step 1 documents have been filed and returned to the court, a key component in the California divorce process. For those using Hello Divorce, we offer a streamlined experience. We'll guide you through each step, simplify the legal terminology, auto-generate forms, assist with filing, and provide you with access to experts for additional support. However, this video is beneficial for anyone navigating a divorce in California. So let's dive in, and together I can explain your options on how to get your spouse served. An important thing to note, the person who is serving the documents on your spouse has to be both 18 years or older and not a party in your case. Generally, sending the forms via mail is the most common and efficient way to serve your spouse and is used the majority of the time. As you prepare the packet for mailing, you want to make sure to include all the filed documents returned from the court, including any local forms, a blank response, or FL 120, and a blank UCC GEA if there are kids. Once you've gathered all your documents for mailing, you will need to prepare a notice and acknowledgement of receipt, or an FL 117, to be included. This form will need to be signed, dated, and returned by your spouse. The day they sign this notice is the day your mandatory 6-month plus 1-day period begins in California. When mailing your documents to meet service requirements, please make sure to include 2 copies of the notice and acknowledgement of receipt and a prepaid return envelope addressed to the person who served your documents. If you don't think your spouse will return the acknowledgement, the other 2 most common ways to serve your spouse are: 1, utilize someone you trust. This is generally a family member or a good friend. 2, you can hire a process server. This is a third-party option, so there's an additional fee required, but there are over 300 people registered in the state of California who are expert at both delivering your paperwork and filing required documents. There are 2 other options that are also available but not used as frequently. They are: 1, ask your county sheriff, and 2, service by publication. If you choose to utilize your county sheriff, there is also a fee for them to serve on your behalf, and you'll have to coordinate directly with your local sheriff's office. 2, service by publication. This is a very old-fashioned method, and you'll need the court's permission. The method is generally done if you're not sure exactly where your spouse is, but you have a general idea. It will also require you to file additional forms with the court to prove your work. Once your spouse has been served, you'll now have to complete a proof of service or summons, or an FL 115. This document tells the court the following: what documents you served, the address where the respondent was served, how you served the respondents, i.e., did you mail it, did you use the sheriff's office, did you hire a process server, 4, the person's name, address, and phone number who served the documents on your behalf. And at the very bottom, print the person's name so they can sign and date it. Once it's completed, you'll have to file your proof of service with the court, as well as the notice and acknowledgement of receipt if you serve by mail. I hope you found this video helpful. We have a variety of resources on our website, hellodivorce.com, pertaining to all things divorce, including what we went over in this video. If you need help with your divorce or have any questions, you can also schedule a 15-minute info call with our team on our website. Thanks so much.